Good day lads, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to print email without cutting off on the sides on Outlook. So pretty much the very easy way to do this is to understand what are the elements inside of your mail, how are they placed, and at the end just choosing a proper orientation of your document, of your mail, when actually starting to print your document. So for example, if I go to my sent items, I have this mail here that I, for example, want to print. And in here, guys, as you can see, my current mail is quite simple, so there's going to be no problem properly printing it. But, for example, if you have a wide document, right, so if it extends with its elements into the very sides and the edges of the screen horizontally, just make sure that everything fits in. If, for example, you have a big image in here or something, make sure to choose the correct mode. So if the items are placed horizontally, you choose landscape. So as you can see now, our mail is being stretched wide and horizontally, and you will be able to fit in more items once again horizontally. But if your items are placed more vertically, choose portrait, and depending on which elements, which maybe photos, maybe tables or something you have, just make sure to use a proper layout, okay? And after that, you just press on print and you're good to go. So hopefully these tips help you. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.